What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the best 15 tips and tricks for your new AirPods 3rd generation. We have researched and tested many tips and tricks and features for your AirPods 3rd generation, and in this video we have reviewed the best ones just for you. Welcome to Serg-Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's also going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we can discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first up, we're going to start with the gestures. And because the AirPods 3 make use of shorter stems to make a force sensor, this means the tapping gestures are finally gone. Instead, you're going to need to use the following gestures in order to control your media playback while using the AirPods. First, if you want to play or pause the audio, just press force sensor on the stem. If you want to skip forward, just double press the force sensor, and to skip back, triple press the force sensor. Then we're going to have the enable spatial audio. So the AirPods 3 actually support spatial audio, and this marks the third set of AirPods to do so, following the AirPods Pro and AirPods Max. And here's how you can enable spatial audio and enjoy music like you've never have before. First, you're going to connect them to your device, and then you're going to head to the settings app and go to Bluetooth. Here in this menu, you will tap on more info section of your AirPods and then tap spatial audio and then done. Also, as a friendly reminder, in order to activate the spatial audio, you need to have your AirPods on. Then, if you want to select the microphone, you might find yourself only using one AirPod when on a call, but because of that, Apple provides the ability to select which microphone to use even if both AirPods are connected at the same time. When your AirPods are connected, just head to settings and then tap Bluetooth. Once you're there, go on more info and tap microphone and select from the options they offer you, either automatically, left, or right. You can also enable automatic ear detection. And another feature available in the AirPods 3 is the ability to have your music automatically stop when you take them out. This is thanks to the new sensors implemented in the casing, which are said to be even more reliable than the AirPods Pro. Automatic ear detection should be enabled by default, but you can always jump into the settings app to double check, or in case you want to disable it. You just have to go to settings, go to the Bluetooth menu, and once more, go on more info and then automatic ear detection. You can also announce notifications, and if you're trying to keep your head down and don't want to be wasting your time by picking up your phone whenever a notification comes in, your AirPods have you covered. Just enable the announce notifications feature and you'll be ready to go. Go to the settings app, and this time we're going to go to notifications and tap announce notifications to toggle on. Now we're going to have check battery life. So the AirPods 3 are touted as having incredibly battery life, but you'll definitely want to make sure you're keeping them charged. And there are two different ways that you can keep an eye on the remaining battery life. The first one is to open up the lid of your case with the AirPods inside, and with a few moments it should appear on the screen. Here you can see the battery levels of each AirPod and also of the case. The second one is by adding a widget on your home screen. All you have to do is tap on an empty space on the home screen and hold, and then tap the plus sign up here and search for batteries for widgets. Then you're going to select your favorite. Now we're going to have heart reset, and while the AirPods 3 are pretty incredible, there are going to be times where things get weird or maybe a little bit frozen. And the first and best course of action is that happens is to perform a heart reset. First, place your AirPods in the charging case and then close the lid. Just wait for about 30 seconds, and after you open the lid, make sure they are connected to your phone. Then open the settings app, head to Bluetooth, more info, and forget this device. While the lid of the charging case remains open, press and hold the setup button for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber and then white. Close the lid and open the lid to begin the setup process. Now we're going to have Find My, and thanks to the deeper integration with the Find My app, you can actually use your iPhone to locate the left or right AirPod, and here's how you can do so. You just have to open the Find My app, then on the Devices tab, locate your AirPods on the list and select either Find or Play Sound, and then follow the on-screen instructions. If you want to get notified when your AirPods get left behind, nobody wants to lose a set of AirPods, as these are not exactly the cheapest headphones available in the market. So thankfully you can set up your iPhone to be notified if you accidentally leave your AirPods behind. All you have to do is open your Find My app, and when you tap on the Devices tab, just go on the device that you're trying to use, and you're gonna see Notify When Left Behind. All you have to do is toggle it on, and then under Notify Me, accept Add, tap Net Location, and from Add Location screen, enter or search an address. Once selected the address, just define the geofencing area for your location by tapping the small, medium, or large buttons at the button. Now I'm going to show you how to protect your hearing, and back in the day, many of us didn't really care about how we listened to music if it was louder. But as we've gotten older, it's become more important than ever to protect your hearing. And with the AirPods, you can set your AirPods and iPhone to notify you if the sound levels are too loud. All you have to do is open the Settings app and scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, Headphone Safety, and then toggle on Headphone Notifications. You can reduce loud sounds and adjust the slider to change the decibel levels. You should also use Live Listen, and Live Listen is a recently introduced feature that makes it easier to listen in on conversations. Essentially, you can turn your AirPods into a hearing aid without actually getting a hearing aid. But first, you will need to make the feature available in the Control Center. And to do this, you're just gonna head to Settings and go to Control Center. You're going to scroll down until you see Hearing. After you add it to your Control Center, place your phone near the sound source that you want to listen to and activate the feature while wearing your AirPods. And now you'll hear everything that's near your device. Now I'm going to show you how to update your AirPods, and it's not as frequent as the iPhone or iPad, but Apple does release new software updates for the AirPods line from time to time. But unlike the other Apple devices, actually updating the software is a little bit easier. And this is because Apple doesn't offer a check for update screen when it comes to the AirPods. Instead, you just need to follow the steps that I'm going to tell you. You just have to connect your AirPods to a power source with either your lightning cable or maybe the MagSafe charger, and then just be close to your phone. If there's any update available, your AirPod will be automatically downloading and transferring the update to your AirPods 3. You could also use Hey Siri, and the thing is that if you have the AirPods in and your phone in another room, you can say Hey Siri and then control volume or music playback, ask for a message to be sent, or any other commands you can give to Siri. If you're using AirPods with an Apple Watch, Hey Siri still works as long as your watch has a data connection. You can also change the name of your AirPods, and there's no dedicated app for altering settings and customizing your AirPods. Instead, you will need to do it through your Bluetooth settings. Head to the settings and then go to Bluetooth, and once again to more info. And right here you're going to tap on your name and customize it to whatever you want it to be named. And then lastly, we're going to have Learn What the Light Means. When the AirPods are placed in the charging case and the lid is open, the light shows the charge status of the earphones. However, if the AirPods are not in the charging case, the light shows the status of the case and not the earphones. And here's what the different lights mean. You have green, which is fully charged. Then you're gonna have the amber light, which is less than one full charge remains. If the light flashes white, it indicates that your AirPods are now ready to set up with your devices. And if the light flashes amber, you will need to set up your AirPods again. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.